Nels was still new to the United States and exploring what the country had to offer. He had seen New York and even the Statue of Liberty, but there was one attraction that dominated his thoughts now. One thing he had yet to experience. He wanted to eat the legendary American cuisine, known as the cheeseburger. The very idea of it was intoxicating. Juicy ground beef and melted cheese, wedged between two fluffy pieces of bread. Now that was something he had to try. Nels was far too nervous to go and actually sit down at a restaurant to try one, but luckily the United States is known for its vast array of fast food drive-thrus. He just needed to drive his car to the window, ask for a cheeseburger, and drive away with his prize. It was a simple enough task, but Nels wanted to make sure he had it right. So he practiced over and over again. "I'd like a cheeseburger, please. I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
I'd like a cheeseburger, please. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. I'd like a cheeseburger, please."
Finally, he felt that he was ready. So he got into his car, making sure to practice just once more before he started the car. And then, it was game time.
Sorry about the wait. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
I'm sorry, which burger?